Hello, everyone. At first, let me thank the TEDx team from the bottom of my heart for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of the dynamic women of BVRIT, Hyderabad College of Engineering. I am Karthikeyan Dhayalan, one of the directors of GHL India Asset, which is a growing investment and asset management company in India. Before my team started this company, we had done intense research about the methods of earning money and how to protect the odd-earned money from the swindlers who always try to steal it through deceptive Ponzi investment plans. So now I'm going to share the priceless knowledge about money that I have gained through years of experience, as I think this is the right age for you all to imbibe and implement it in your life journey. Let me begin with the law of compensation. This universal law dictates that the amount of money we earn is directly proportional to the need in what we do, our ability in doing it, and the difficulty there is in replacing us. Understanding and working in accordance with this law is very vital, because only through this law, God has created 3 methods of earning money. Method 1, trading time to earn money. This is employees and self-employees way of earning money. Almost 96% of population earn money through this method. Lower middle class and upper middle class fall into this category. And method 2 is investing money to earn money. This is active and passive investors way of earning money. Only 3% of population earn money through this method. High net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals fall into this category. And the method 3 is building product and team to earn money. This is entrepreneurs way of earning money. Only 1% of population earn money through this method. And ultra high net worth individuals fall into this category. The investors and the entrepreneurs constitute just 4% of population earn the 96% of money which is being spent in an economy. So it is up to us to choose through which method we want to earn money. And once we start to earn the money, it is our responsibility to protect it, because we will be instigated to invest in various investment products through attractive advertisements that include the deceptive Ponzi investment plans of swindlers too. The swindlers will try to stimulate the instant gratification mindset of people by offering higher returns for minimum capital with short-term tenure. Without doing any business, they give returns to one set of investors by utilizing the capital which is raised from another set of investors. With this unreliable cash inflow and cash outflow business model, they cannot sustain for more than 2 years. So eventually, they will scam the investor and run away. As abundance is our birthright, it is very much essential for us to earn as much money as possible. At the same time, we should not let the scammers steal our money. So to protect and grow our odd-earned money, we should choose productive investment plans of many reliable companies by cross-checking their authenticity through the technically proven PSS TFCP investment analysis. Here P stands for product. You must analyze if the company has a demandable product that can solve the problems of major people. And S stands for strategy. We should evaluate if the company has a viable business strategy. And another S stands for system. We should assess if the company has implemented the viable business strategy into an effective business system. And T stands for team. We should inspect if the company has a committed and capable team to operate the business. And F stands for fundraising. We should investigate at which stage the company is in fundraising. And C stands for capital safety. We should also assess if the company has taken any strong measures to protect the capital of the investors. And the final P stands for profit sharing. We should scrutinize whether the company shares considerable profit with the investors. So, if this investment analysis is done properly, then our money will be absolutely protected, irrespective of the economic status of a company. You know, to earn more money, we must increase our financial intelligence by learning how money works. And to protect and grow our hard-earned money, we should invest by doing this PSS TFCP analysis. Let me conclude my speech with the statement of Mr. Napoleon Hill, who is the author of the famous book Think and Grow Rich. He says, it takes more than a college degree to make one a person of education. An educated person is the one who is not necessarily as an abundance of general or specialized knowledge. In fact, an educated person is the one who has developed the faculties of his mind that he may acquire anything he wants without violating the rights of others. Thank you.